George Hancock, here we go. Near crash, SV650, going through an intersection. Once again, orange stage. Ooh, you see how he went to a separate lane? He found that escape path real. Oh, that was close. Whoa, look at these idiots. Look at these idiots. You didn't even turn until last second. You could easily have low-sided right there. Everyone's just trying to keep up with each other. That was really dumb. All right, Stu, here we go. Okay, we got a lane merger once again at night, low visibility. Where's our headlights? Where's our headlights? No wonder. Where's our headlights? Pierre Walker. Okay, let them be dumb. We just watched motorcyclists do that. And we're gonna be like, look at what they did. Look what the car did. You know what I mean? And that person almost scared a little crap. Scared a little poo-poo out of him. Strider 790 side of the vehicle, watch out. Rotating the tires. You saw the hubcaps kind of rotate, or the rims rotate. Lets you know the tires are moving. Side of the vehicle, you were in orange stage. You did a good job, Strider 790. You saw this. This person's an absolute idiot. What are you doing? Moving on with their day. CRG motors going through blind corners, maybe some deer here and there. There it is. There it is. Usually with these videos you can tell when it's like a deer situation just by the environment you're in. So if that's the case, pay attention. Once again, environment here. What's gonna happen here? Lots of rocks, loose gravel. Somebody's crashed. Right? I don't know if we're laughing.
Y'all gonna make me crash from laughing.
Oh. That's funny. We don't have to rescue. They're playing around. But this is why you have a Bluetooth.
GoPro on? Yeah, it's running. yeah, I think it is. Let me make sure. Yeah, it's running. I told you to be the bottoms there, so. Yeah. Like so way.
Off-road dad life.
Boom off the trail. I'm like he. Then whoa! I almost went down. I didn't though.
Thanks for watching till the end.
Oh, you're welcome, Moto Stars. Hey, I hope you guys like these kinds of videos. Let me know. Do you like the no pause?